Hi, I'm David Coffey. This is my wife Lisa on the far side, my daughter Kaylee, my son Ryan, and my father-in-law Tom Young. We've actually been patients of Dr. Kaplansky's for over 16 years here in Mississauga. In the 16 years that I've been a patient with Dr. Kaplansky, he's actually given me a quite comprehensive plan. So he's helped me. I've gone from adult braces to having my wisdom teeth out with the recommendation that he had, and then in business, he suggested veneers, and it's actually done me very well in the business world, because now I'm recognized for a great smile.
My wife has had quite a bit of work done by Dr. Kaplansky. I haven't, because I don't have too many left after I was in the Air Force and I got in a bit of an accident. So.
When I was in grade 4, one Friday morning, a boy decided to trip me on the playground, and I slid forward and my 2 front teeth chipped. And I was really scared, but when I came here, he reassured me that it's gonna be okay.
Dr. Kaplansky did the root canals on her 2 front teeth, as well as some of the restorative work, and really looked after her well during that time, called us to see how she was doing after the root canals, and we were really appreciative of the support that he had given our family during that time.
I used to do professional gymnastics at a national level, and one night during training I actually was doing a tumbling line, and unfortunately my knees ended up coming towards my mouth. So I called my mom and we rushed over here to see Mr. Zlot, who is fortunately still here. And he was able to put on a glove and pull my teeth forward, so yeah.
When we started with Dr. Kaplansky, there's a sort of initial form that we're asked to fill out, and I had some pretty severe anxiety around going to dentists, and we talked about that when I first came in, and he started doing a lot of restorative work on my mouth, replacing a lot of my old mercury fillings and doing those kinds of things, and always very careful to advise me of what the procedures were going to be, to check with me during the procedure that I was doing okay. He always walks out to the office to greet you. He always walks out at the end of his appointment. He walks you out of the office when my kids are being examined and treated. He always comes out to talk to me after the treatment. So just the idea of, allaying my anxiety by always making sure that I'm informed and understanding, and I always know what to expect. I never have to be, concerned about it being a painful visit, and I've always been able to reassure my kids of the same.
I would say it's friendly from beginning to end. Both once you approach the front desk, people know you, so it's just simply a nod, so they know who you are already. And then certainly the assistants, when you're getting the x-rays done as well, there's a really good interaction there. They know you, they want to know you, and then that's a great setup by the time you get into the chair with the dentist. And then when you're parting ways, it's a handshake, or knowing what's going on in your life. So I think that's from beginning to end, it's a relationship that you're building with your dentist and the entire team.